Today we are going to learn how to make this super cool pixel effect on Photoshop. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to have a Photoshop file open, go to text and click a relatively small text. Okay, it doesn't have to be too bold. For right here I've used Berlin Sans, so it's a really thin text, isn't too bold. Let's type pixels, so P-I-X-E-L-S, right? Pixels. Okay, so let's move this to the center of the frame and Control T to transform. Let's make this nice and big. Okay, and let's put this in the center of the frame. Okay, there you go. Now create a copy of the background layer. Okay, so control click both of these layers, background layer and the layer with the text. Right click and then merge layers. Okay, we're going to merge these two layers together. Now you want to convert this to a smart object, so right click and then go convert to smart object. Okay, so once you converted this into a smart object, you then want to go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. So now you can have the radius of the Gaussian blur to around 5 pixels. That should be good. And this is what it's going to look like. It's pretty blurry, but don't worry about it. Okay, so if you go down here, you'll see this little like circle is an adjustment layer. Click that and then go to threshold. Okay, so now you've created a threshold layer. So now you can see that your image is no longer blurry, like the text is has its clarity back. So now you have to go back to layers and then click on the layer with the text. Okay, so once you do that, go to filter and then go all the way down to pixelate. In pixelate, you will see this little section called mosaic. Click that and now you can see that your text is pixelated. Okay, so I won't overdo it. Let's say I will keep it at 24 squares maybe. Oh nah, actually 19 squares looks good. So why did I create this threshold layer, you might be asking, right? So if you double click that, you can now adjust how many pixels are on your text. You can really take it to the very extreme and make it look like this or you can bring it down, but you have control over how many pixels your text has. How cool is that? Absolutely love this effect. I wanted to come up here and show you guys how it's done because it's really fun and it's really satisfying to play around with the pixels like this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, share and subscribe for more cool photography and Photoshop tutorials. I will see you guys in the next one.